Alright, y'all, so the doggone, ooh, I'm gonna lighten up. Okay, yeah, so the amp rack finish, and yeah, man, here we go right here. Of course, y'all see all the wires. All that gonna be up under the carpet, and then coming in from up under the board. So I'm gonna tie all that in. You know what I'm saying? But it do look like real good though, man. And I'm gonna run my stars right there in the back corner. I'm putting those on the board too. So yeah, this thing, it's gonna be crazy. My wife wanted, she wanted to stain the board, I guess to make it a dark color, but I guess we can keep it like this. I mean, I ain't too pressed about it, so I'll show y'all the video of everything working and stuff. So yeah, that'll be, matter of fact, let me start cutting this doggone remote wire so I can test it out right now. Alright, so we all wired up. Got the big wire grounded. Got all the remote turn-ons ready to go. Got the power, ran to the front, no fuse, but it's only, you know what I'm saying, just check the power. Got the radio on the bucket, country boy style. Y'all know how we doing it around here. But damn, you scared the shit out of me. I didn't even hear you. But my fucking whole body fucking locked up just now. But yeah, we got the shit rigged up, and we're about to test for power, so cut y'all back on a little bit. Alright, so turn down a little bit. Power, power, power. Yes, sir. So yeah, we just got a dang on
the lime and the coconut.
Hook everything up so we have sound and we'll be good to go. But I still gotta mount that second battery in here. After the second battery, well, I'll probably get the alternator first and then the second battery. Either way, yeah, I appreciate y'all for checking me out, tuning in, but yeah, roll to 1K, man. Hit the like, hit the comment, hit subscribe. Fuck with your boy.